Good morning, guys. Macroeconomic data. We just had the New Zealand retail sales, which came out higher than expectations, which is very good. We're seeing right now in Asia, the stock market fell down a little bit because of the closing of last week on the down and the Nasdaq. We see some sell-off. The markets, they are a bit nervous right now, I think. We're expecting this week all the tech stocks, the rush on the tech stocks last week on Hong Kong. This week, everybody's waiting for NVIDIA to report. So I think it's going to be a direction of the market on the tech stocks. So we also saw the dollar index coming down a little bit. We saw the dollar lost against some major currency in Asia. So we see that. So I think we see some uncertainty in the market right now. Which is good or not because of all the tariffs, and we also had the elections in Germany yesterday. So everybody, I think, is digesting what is happening right now. We saw the oil prices in Asian markets right now. They're trading a little bit lower, expecting a slowdown on the macroeconomic data on America. So we see some uncertainty, we don't see so much demand, and we see some weakness on the US economy. So we might see some volatility this week. We know the recent economic indicators show some concerns of potential slowdown of the economy. So we see more or less like that. We're going to digest today what's what is meaning right now. The futures for the European stocks, they are higher, because it's a good sign for the result of the elections, but they don't have a majority, so we need to see how they're going to form the government, and that will be a good indicator for the European stock market. Gold, we saw a lot of volatility now on gold, and gold, I think, is going to be the safe haven for these days and for these uncertainties with the tariffs, with the European, right now America trying to mediate the war between Ukraine and Russia, and not inviting European or Ukraine for the meetings. That was a little bit concerns about that. So we might see. We also saw a resume on the oil fields in Iran. So we see the oil market coming down a little bit. So all of that creates volatility in the market, which is great for us to trade. And also we saw the Bitcoin. If you look at Bitcoin, last month did the all-time highs. And historically, Bitcoin, the best performing months has been March, April, and May. Historically, every year is like 20% March, 30% May. So we might see a new time highs in Bitcoin very time soon. That's what most of the analysts say. And it's Monday, let's be cautious for the week, and let's keep trading. Have a great day. See you tomorrow, guys.